Welcome to this video on building a one-person AI business. We're in the new solo era of 2026, where natural language interfaces allow individuals to transform entire company operations without needing a computer science degree. It's time for an identity shift. Stop being a clunky builder who only sells features and calls themselves an automation guy. Instead, become a chic partner who diagnoses real business problems and provides measurable, valuable outcomes. What do businesses actually pay for? Focus on these three outcomes: getting new customers, increasing customer value, and cutting costs. Prioritizing these areas consistently drives revenue and ROI for your clients. Adopt the build-first regimen. Before selling to clients, use tools like Claude Code to run your own business operations. Build a morning briefing automation for yourself. It's a perfect example of a portfolio piece. Scale correctly with a step-by-step approach. Start with low-risk education, move to an audit, then take on a focused project, and finally transition to a retainer. Avoid the mistake of jumping straight into big projects. Your entry should be low friction. Offer a low-cost education session to learn about a company's pain points. Then transition into paid scoping, where you map their workflows and deliver a detailed strategy deck. The investment stage focuses on proven ROI. Once you've completed a successful project, leverage that success to secure long-term retainers. With just 2 clients on retainers, you can build a stable 6-figure business. Where do you find your first 5 clients? Use warm outreach to your network. Look for high-intent opportunities on platforms like Upwork, or build in public on platforms like LinkedIn to attract leads to you. Adjust your mindset. Instead of rushing to a yes and fearing failure, set a goal to collect 10 no's. This reframes rejection as valuable data that helps you refine your pitch and improve your offer. Find the actual constraint in a business through diagnostic testing. Map the client's operations chronologically, listen for complaints about friction points, and remember that sometimes the best solution doesn't require AI at all. Use the blank test to ensure a project is viable. You need to define the automation, the KPI, the current baseline, and the expected outcome. If you can't fill these in, the project isn't ready. For your MVP, ship within 2 weeks. Follow the 80% rule. Identify the one core feature that solves the majority of the pain, and create a cut list of what you will not build in version 1. Anchor your pricing to the value you provide. From the initial educational on-ramp to long-term partnerships, be prepared to justify your numbers based on the time and costs you save the client. Use the compound effect to choose your niche. Use your first successful case study to find similar businesses. As you repeat your process, your builds get faster, your language gets sharper, and your prices increase. Finally, choose the role that fits you. A solo business requires sales and communication, but if that's not for you, there are other paths, such as partnering with a salesperson or becoming an internal AI leader.